Hi, it's Paula from Pola Quilting. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you a project I have been working on for last 2 months. Every year I prepare something for Street Angels Southampton to include into their Christmas backpacks for homeless. Following last year's wellness packages, I made another batch of drawstring bags for this. But I made them size XL, so the coloring books in A4 format can fit in easily. This is the full tutorial you can watch showing step-by-step process, and pattern with 3 sizes is available in my online shop. All links are below. They are great as a gift bag or as a gift itself. You can personalize them to match the recipient. In November I held a workshop for my quilting group, and it was great to see a variety of designs that were used to make them. I love working on those Christmas projects because, apart obviously why I am making them, they give me opportunity to use up all sorts of scraps and odd ends. And I can have some fun with decorating them special way. I front can bat all my scraps of batting and use some old blankets as well. This year I also reached out to my quilting group and got from them some of their batting scraps too, because I have run out of my own. I found 2 boxes of Christmassy fabric scraps, some left from last year and some were donated to me during the year, and I made them into 8.5-inch cramps. But I actually didn't have enough for all 30 bags I was making, so I also used up some odd quilting blocks I made, and in some cases I just used a piece of fabric for outer part, just one piece. You can really get your imagination going with those. In some of the bags I used thread painting to add a little bit more interest. If you have some floss thread, they are perfect for this, as you can have so many colors to play with, but wool scraps will also work. In others I used up some of my quilted scraps by making them into flower shapes and applique onto the front of the bag. I have tutorials showcasing both of those techniques in more detail, and I will link them in the description below. there it was a mass cutting of remaining elements and sewing it all together. It really helped to cut all beforehand, so pretty much you have just 4 rectangles put together. For tabs I used a bit thicker cotton I had from upcycling curtains, and for the lining I had a big batch of bedding donated by my friend. And here is my collection of 30 drawstring bags. I made 6 medium and 24 large bags. All now have been filled up with goodies and most given out during the weekend when group is going out to help homeless. Thank you very much for watching me today. I would like to wish you all wonderful holiday break, and for those who celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas, and I will see you in New Year. Happy sewing everyone!